Hi everybody, good week. Vladimir here with you. Welcome to my weekly review of 17th of October 2010. How can we summarize last week? We can call it a crazy week, right? If you followed my blog, you must saw this topic of the last week update. What happens behind the real scene? And what do I mean by that? I mean that there are no bulls in the market, and the market is still going up. For me, it reminds me. Let's go to the charts. For me, it reminds me the 6th of May this year, this situation, as you might remember, right? Because we were still going up. Right, you see, still going up. The bears were controlling the market, and then suddenly, bam, and we are still facing this down move. Right, so what happened in this level? It's almost like the same situation. Take a look, right? Take a look. We are going up, but there are no volumes. MACD represent the volume, and the best representation of volume in the Forex market, from my point of view, is MACD, and there are no bulls. There are only bears. So it's only a question of time when we will see a serious drop down, as we saw here. See, we were going up. This one going down, 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 down. We got these corrections of 400-500 pips every time, and then after a final week, we got bam, and almost 800 pips down move, right? So there are definitely a serious downtrend is waiting for us. So it's only a question of when. All right. So what are we going to do? Is to analyze the recommended charts, and I want to start with Australian dollar. And there are few days and almost 2 weeks. I am talking about one level, the equal level, right? During Friday, after the realization of the news, we got a kiss, I call it. We got a kiss on one level, and take a look what happened. You can see it on 1 hour chart the best. Take a look. Here, you see, it touched it, and then dropped more than 140 pips. Now we are going for correction, as it looks like now, but take a look the bigger chart, the daily chart, right? You see that there are no bulls. It's a question of time when we will see a serious drop on the Australian. So we can watch for this pair. I guess this pair will be the next pair to drop. How can we join it? We can go and draw a trend line, right? That were broken during the Friday. Now logically it will test it or retest it right here, and then we will see drop down again. If it retraces full to the trend line, then wait for some double top, maybe with some angle like this, right? And the bearish divergence that will be created here. And if it happened, so we will rejoin it here when we get double top combined with a bearish divergence, and of course the entry will be after bearish candle pattern, such as it was here. You see, double top, bearish divergence, right? Bearish engulfing, and bam, right? So be ready for this. The euro will be the next one. The same situation as you can see here, right? We are going up. This is a daily chart. There are no bulls anymore, right? So my guess, we will go down. Well, about the euro and actually about all the market, I'm not sure that the bears will take the control since Monday. I'm not sure about it. Maybe we will see a retrace back to test the line, because you remember I talked about two levels on the euro, 140 and 142, right? This is the two levels, very critical levels, and from these levels I expect the big drop. Well, 140 stop resistance well during the week, but then it was broken, and now almost 142, almost 140, 160 was reached during Friday, and then we got 200 pips drop. It's amazing, right? This is what happened. You see? Bam! 200 plus pips during one Friday. Well, what's gonna happen here? Um, Almost the same as the Australian. We can maybe, if the market will retrace up, we can look for double bottom, but I'm not sure it will happen. If not, you can join it with a break of a trend line, right? Or you can join it with a break of meaningful support, which means these levels, for example. If 138 will be broken, that means that we are going for serious down. But till then, you can go even for lower time frames, right? For even lower time frames, and you can watch for a retracement and hidden divergence down, or a break of meaning support, powerful support. So, and I do believe that we will see a downtrend very, very soon, and powerful downtrend. I'm not sure it will happen since Monday, because as I see it, my guess, we will get a gap up, right? Because it was too powerful down move during Friday, and as I understand the market, we should open an up gap, right? So I guess the prices will be open around 140, 20, something like that. I guess so. I'm not sure. And then we will see a little correction and then down again. So the euro, the British pound, and the Australian I talked about. The British pound, and remind you, we get now inverted hammer, so we can look for short. Well, okay, because 160 and 161 levels are still very, very powerful resistance. What can we do about the New Zealandian? The same situation. Take a look on this MACD. You see, it looks like the dollar will go and strengthen up. The next one I want to talk about is gold, of course. Well, take a look. Okay, still no bears on the market, and I told you, as long as there are no bears, and as long as there are no bearish pattern and bearish divergence completed and created, there is no reason to look to sell the gold. So watch only the buy options, intraday trading, or joining the trend with moving average, all the strategies you use. Well, another one I want to talk about is the euro British pound. I was looking for 0.8850, but this level never reached. We missed by 10, 15 pips. And what can we look for now? The same situation as I told before. We can see this uptrend line, right? If it's broken down, then look to sell. Broken down, retrace to test, and then sell this pair, right? So again, the setups for this week are Australians, euro, British pound, against the dollar, euro, pound, New Zealandian. All of them you can look and join a break of the trend lines or the double tops if suddenly will be created. That's all actually for this week. There are some more trades, some more potential trades, such as dollar Canadian 4-hour charts, and hidden bearish divergence that probably will gonna be creating, but I'm still not sure about this pair, so that's why I'm not talking about. But make sure you watch my blog every day, because I will update there. My trades and my setups for this week. I just want to make sure how it opened on Monday and how it will continue to Tuesday, and then you will get updates every day. So make sure you watch it. Thank you for your time watching this video. I wish you a great profitable week. Vladimir.